Hey guys, it's Anissa, and today we are going to do adorable Easter egg nails. So let's just jump right into it. And I started off by painting my index finger a nice pastel purple. This one is Sally Hansen Hard as Nails number 370, No Hard Feelings. My middle finger got a nice mint color from Sally Hansen Insta-Dri called Jade Jump in number 456, and I am doing 2 coats on every finger. My ring finger is going to get a bubblegum shade that is actually called Bubblegum from Sally Hansen Insta-Dri's new collaboration with Jelly Belly, number 627. And by the way, I'm actually going to do a review on this collection as soon as I can get my hands on 2 of the colors I haven't been able to find yet, so something to look forward to. My pinky gets a yellow shade from OPI called I Just Can't Cope-acabana. Those are just good times right there. And if you get any overage because you've clearly forgotten how to paint your nails since you haven't done it in so long, go ahead and clean that up using a cleanup brush and nail polish remover. And finally, on my thumbnail, I'm doing 2 shades of China Glaze 1401 UV Meant to Be. Using the 4 other colors, I went ahead and did Easter egg designs on 4 of my nails, but I left the ring finger, the pink one, blank because I will show you later what I was going to do with that. It's super awesome. The suspense is intense. Now, if you don't know what Easter eggs look like, they're pretty much just designs that children can draw on with crayons or whatever they want to do when they color their Easter eggs. So really, you don't have to get too precise here. As you can see, I'm mixing it up with some straight lines, some zigzaggy lines, some dots, some scalloped lines. The sky is the limit with what you can do on these Easter egg fingernails. If your lines are not as precise as you want them to be, you can take your base color and go in and sharpen things up. But I am going for the just freshly drawn by a child in crayon look, so that's why I'm not really doing that well on my nails. Yeah, I like that story. I'm gonna stick with that. Now here you'll notice that I'm actually using a toothpick to create the dots. This is my pinky nail, and I have teeny tiny hands and even teenier, tinier little fingernails. And I do not have a dotting tool that I felt like I could get small enough with, so I sharpened a toothpick. So, you know, you can use whatever you want. Nail art is art, man. If Andy Warhol can paint cans of Campbell's soup and call it art, then I submit that my wobbly lines are also art. It's right there in the name, nail art. Who's gonna argue with that? Nobody, that's who. As I went back and listened to this voiceover, I realized that I'm sounding a little aggressive and hostile. This is why I can't have nice things. Alright, now on the ring finger that we painted in the bubblegum pink, I'm taking Color Club's number 24 French tip, and I'm painting zigzag lines so that it looks like it's an egg that has cracked open. And as I fill it in, you can clearly see that I am sticking with the theme of looking like a child did that. Although, I have to say, my 8-year-old is super good at painting in the lines, so I think it's just me. So I'm just going back in with the bubblegum color, and I am sharpening up the lines of my cracked egg so it looks a little bit less like a blind koala painted this. Although I have to tell you guys something cool that I found out recently. You don't actually have to be good at painting your nails to make YouTube videos. How cool is that? Just anybody with a camera can upload. My life plan is complete. As I'm sure you've guessed, I'm painting in the chick peeking out from between the cracked eggs, and it's just using that same color from OPI. I just can't Cope-acabana. Still makes me giggle. For the eyeballs of said chick, I am using a shade from Finger Paints called Black Expressionism and a dotting tool. Then I'm using French tip again and a smaller dotting tool to go ahead and add the reflections in the eyes. This lovely muted orange shade is from Sally Hansen Hard as Nails Xtreme Wear with an X, and it's number 150 Sunkissed. After I finished with the chick, I went back in with the purple from Sally Hansen and with the blue from China Glaze, and I just added some more details like it had been an Easter egg that had cracked open. Finally, I went back in with Sally Hansen Insta-Dri number 103 Clearly Quick, which is clearly a quick dry top coat. Don't forget to apply it generously and carefully so that you don't smear your lovely designs. And there you have it, a super easy, super cute Easter egg design that you can rock this holiday weekend. If you try to recreate this, I'd love for you to tag me on any of my social medias. They'll be in the description box. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you later.